Assalamu alaikum. We are going to learn how to perform namaz, step by step, slowly and beautifully. Stand up straight on your prayer mat. Keep your feet comfortably apart, about shoulder width. Let your arms rest naturally by your sides. Look at the place where your forehead will touch the ground later. This helps you stay focused. Take a quiet moment and in your heart, make your intention that you are about to pray for Allah. Now, we begin. Raise both your hands slowly up to your ears. Your palm should face forward, fingers relaxed and slightly apart. And say, Allahu Akbar. As you say this, gently bring your hands down and place your right hand over your left hand on your chest. Now you are standing in Qiyam. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and eyes looking down. Begin to recite Salah, then Surah Al-Fatiha, slowly and calmly. Your lips should move gently. Take your time. This is your conversation with Allah. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa tabarakasmuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa la ilaha ghayruk. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdina siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta alaihim ghairil maghdubi alaihim waladdallin. Amin. After Surah Al-Fatiha, you can recite a short surah or minimum 3 verses from the Quran. I will recite Surah Ikhlas. Qul huwallahu ahad. Allahus samad. Lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Now, prepare to bow. Say Allahu Akbar. Slowly move your hands down and bend forward into Ruku. Place both hands firmly on your knees. Spread your fingers gently. Keep your back straight like a flat table. And keep your head in line with your back. Look down toward the ground. Stay still and calmly say Subhana Rabbiyal Azim 3 times or more. Feel the humility in this position. Now slowly rise back up. Stand straight again. Hands by your sides and say Sami Allahu liman hamida. Rabbana lakal hamd. Feel gratitude as you stand. Now we go into Sajda, the most special position. Say Allahu Akbar. First, bend your knees, then place your hands on the mat. Then gently lower your nose and forehead to the ground. Make sure these parts are touching the ground. Your forehead, your nose, both hands, both knees, and your toes. Keep your elbows slightly lifted, not flat on the ground. Now say, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la 3 times or more. Stay still. Feel close to Allah. Say Allahu Akbar. Now slowly lift your head and sit back. This is called Jalsa. Sit with your left foot under you and your right foot upright. Place your hands on your thighs. Sit calmly for a moment. Say Allahu Akbar. Now go down again into Sajda, just like before. Slowly place your hands, then your forehead and nose. Again, say Subhana Rabbiyal A'la 3 times. This completes 1 rakah. Say Allahu Akbar. Now stand up again for the second rakah. Stand straight and repeat the same steps. Recite Surah Al-Fatiha, then another surah. Go into Ruku, stand again, then perform 2 sajdas. Take your time with each movement. After the second sajda of the second rakah, sit down again. This is the final sitting. Place your hands on your thighs and recite Tashahhud. At-tayyatu lillahi wa salawatu wa tayyibatu. Assalamu alayka ayyuhan nabiyyu rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alayna wa ala badillahi salim. Ashhadu la ilaha illa wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Raise your right index finger gently while keeping the other fingers folded. While you recite Ashhadu la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Then recite Durud-e Ibrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Rabbi ij'alni muqima salati wa min zurriyati Rabbana wa taqabbal du'a Rabbana ighfirli wa li walidayya wa lil mu'minina yawma yaqumul hisab. Now, to end the prayer, turn your head slowly to the right and say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Turn your head slowly to the left and say again Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. And your 2 rakah prayer is complete. Now, what if the prayer was 3 or 4 rakah? After the second rakah, you will sit for tashahhud and recite until Ashhadu la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. But you do not end the prayer yet. Instead, after finishing tashahhud for a 3 rakah prayer, say Allahu Akbar. You stand up and perform 1 more rakah. If it is Salah Namaz, you perform just like the first and second rakah. But if it is Farz Namaz, only recite Surah Al-Fatiha, then go to Ruku. Stand up and go for 2 sujuds. After completing that 3rd rakah, you sit for tashahhud and then end with Salam. For a 4 rakah prayer, after the 2nd rakah, you stand up, then perform the 3rd rakah, then stand again for the 4th rakah. In both these, if it is Salah Namaz, you perform just like the 1st and 2nd rakah, but if it is Farz Namaz, you only recite Surah Al-Fatiha. After completing the 4th rakah, you sit for the final tashahhud. Then end with salam to right and left. Now, raise your hands for dua and ask Allah for forgiveness. Take your time with every moment. Stay calm and stay focused. And remember, namaz is not just actions. It is your peaceful connection with Allah. You did beautifully. Keep practicing and your prayer will become even more peaceful every single day.